Hey girl, hey boy, it is RallyGirl back at you. I am jumping in with a product review. Camille Rose Naturals, Nangai and Tsubaki Strength Restore Protein Treatment. I needed one badly, and it had been a while. I don't think, when is the last time I did a protein treatment? I can't even tell you. It's been years. And I needed one really badly. Life happened, and I had took a break off of doing my Ayurveda, all of that stuff because I just didn't have time to do all that, and then started back to doing it. But I noticed that my strands had got a little bit like they were snapping. Now I rectified the issue before, but you got to keep up with it. So anyway, I needed protein, and so I did it. I did a video on the application process, not the application process. I did a quick demo video, and my hair was already really moisturized from what I was doing to it while I had it in a twist. It's just this thing I do when I have my hair in twists. And I did a quick video on that. Both of the videos are on Instagram. So check me out at iamrallygirl on Instagram, at iamrallygirl on all of the major social media platforms, except for TikTok. I am not there yet, but this product actually starts with water, and that's the first ingredient. The second ingredient, I believe, is sweet almond oil. Then you have cetyl alcohol. I know I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. And what is the other ingredient? I'm not really mad at the ingredients list, the first few. And I'm sorry. Okay, cetyl alcohol. I'm saying it wrong. I know. And glycerin. So I'm fine with that. This was a really good product. It has a lot of slip, and it made detangling really a cinch. Now, granted, my hair wasn't super tangled, but the shed hairs, and you know how sometimes even when your hair is stretched, it might start doing this, like crossing over. That it was doing that. But when I put this in, I put it in the video, and you could see how my fingers was just gliding through. I had not used a styling tool at all. And if many of you know, if you've been with me for a while, you know I do not resort to using styling tools unless my hair is soaked and wet, or maybe if I'm doing like a style but the hair is damp, and if I'm doing a style where I have to just sort of smooth it out a little bit. Other than that, there's moisture and water in my hair when I'm using a styling tool. But usually when I am in the shower, drenched, soaked, wet hair. That was a mouthful. Anywho, so what was I saying about this? I hadn't done a protein treatment in years. Did not know what to expect with this one, but I was looking for one. And the thing is, I don't remember ever doing a protein treatment from a commercial brand. As I'm thinking back, and you guys let me know if I'm wrong, if I did a video on one, but I don't recall that. Most of my protein treatments have been DIYs. Okay, and they may or may not have been all that great at the time. This was like earlier on when I first started really trying to cultivate my hair. Anyway, I went with Camille Rose Naturals because this is a brand that I actually trust. And I've used like a couple of other products from this brand, and it's a hashtag support a sister black owned company. So I was excited to see that they had a protein treatment, because I was just like somebody, protein. And so of course I'm getting something that's gonna go with my natural hair. What else can I say about this? The two oils that are mentioned at the top, when I did a quick research, just a quick Google search on them, they were talking about how good they are for the skin, and helps with a youthful skin appearance. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is a nut oil, and it's blended with Japanese Tsubaki oil and a strengthening mix of vitamins A, E, and beta carotene. Breaking, damaged, and splitting strands are restored to a smoother, more resilient state to promote healthy and stronger hair. So yeah, I would use it again. I would use it again and quickly. It says to use an ample amount, which I did. I might as well just used up all the rest, but I already had a lot in my hair. And I decided that what I could do is maybe a mini treatment way down the line. Now with my hair porosity, which is medium, and there are some areas of high porosity due to over conditioning, I'm not going to do too many protein treatments. I don't recommend too many protein treatments for various porosity types. Okay. But I might do this again on my ends or either on my roots, since it's just such a little bit, maybe way down the line. Right now, I am also incorporating my Ayurvedic routine with my sprays, my tea sprays, as well as what else? Oh, my clay washes and all of that to strengthen my hair. So I'm hoping that I don't need another protein treatment for a while. My hair feels very not only moisturized and soft, but it feels very strong and coarse. Like I like that coarse hair feeling. It feels nice and coarse, which is the strengthening that I feel. So yes, I definitely recommend this. I am my curl pattern is 4B with a little bit of 4C. So that tells you my hair type. Okay, my porosity and curl pattern. For me, that's my hair type. Okay, and what else? I think that's it. You guys, check out any links in the description, anything that you need to know in the description. I also dropped 2 natural hair ebooks. One is going to help you out with porosity and how to achieve the best wash and go. And the other one is giving you DIY recipes, and it tells you which ones are good for what, when to use, and how. Until the next video, live simply and be kind. Smooches.